This is him. This is this 30 or 40th time. Immediately goes to the wrong way. Immediately goes. And as soon as he sees the trailer, his wheels go back the opposite way, all the way. Now they're back again. Okay? Keep that. Keep it. Keep it. Keep it. No, no, you're not gonna. Oh my God. You've been doing the same exact thing 20 or 30 freaking times and expecting to get different results. My God. Just stop right there and leave it. Huh? You can't do that, can you? Oh, for crying out loud! Yep. There you go. First thing, he goes the wrong way every time. Oh, God. No. Just keeps going back and forth the whole stinking way. He's going right back over the same tracks he's been on 30 times. Oh, my God. How did they ever let him out? I guess you don't need to know how to do it. Look at this. He has no clue. No clue. No clue. Oh, boy. That's it. Go the wrong way. First thing again. Jesus. No. No, no. Back and forth, back and forth. Well, that's good. You're about 4 inches off the line you were on before. Unbelievable. Yeah, take a good look at her. Ah, you can do better than that. Come on. Right? Oh, yeah. Yeah, give me another chance. I can get that better. Oh, he takes the wrong choice even going forward. Now keep it there. Keep it. No. Yeah, that's it. No, don't go back all the way. Just. Oh, my God. There he goes again. Hold that. Oh, God. Back and forth, back and forth. Oh, my God. I don't. Unbelievable. I've seen other people screw up, and I certainly have, all myself. But this takes the cake right here. I don't think I've ever seen anybody that fucking ignorant. Keep it in. Keep the steering wheel where it's at. Keep it at. No. Oh, God, no! Idiot. Oh, he's figuring something out. Look. Oh, look, there you go. All the way. Jesus. All right, now stop. Go the other way. There you go. Just real small increments. Just can't let it go. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is, oh my, there he starts out. The first thing goes the wrong way every stinking time. Every time. Without fail. Just goes from one extreme to the other. All the way right, all the way left. All the way right, all the way left. What's he doing? Oh my God. I can't hardly take any more of this yet. How long can you do this? How long can you keep this up? Oh, just go straight back. Just go straight fucking back. No. Stop. No, 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 not that way. That way. Oh my God. I can't hold this camera up here any longer. This is ridiculous. He's not going to get it. I'm sure he must have parked somewhere else before, but. Oh my God. Yes, yes, yes. Keep him like that. Now what? He's going to want to go the other way. Just, oh my God. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. We got somebody that's going to show him how to do it. Huh? God bless him. Tell him how to do it. He's trying to explain why he's such a bonehead. Well, I just got this trailer and it doesn't seem to want to let you go back very well. The guy's patiently listening. I'm sure he's going to tell him. Mm-hmm. See, when you turn it that way, it goes this way. Right? Okay. I'll leave you to flounder on your own. Well, he just can't stand it when it starts to go back straight. He's got to turn the wheel all the other way. Ignorant, 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 ignorant. Come on, you got it. Just keep on. Hold that line. No, no, no. Look at that. He just. Oh my God. He just hates to hold it in that position over there. Shut your lights off. Jack it up. Call it a day. That's where you're going to live, right there. Atta boy. Know when you're done.